Early morning, off-season day 29. Let's get it.
Good morning, dude. Since we were kind of talking about quick connects and toggles yesterday, I kind of wanted to show you something that I've been doing for at least a decade, maybe 15 years. But this is something my mentor showed me when I was younger, and it's just locusts. Taking locusts and branches and cutting them up, making stakes out of them, and anchors, so you can anchor your trap here. And give me a sec. So with the toggle, you know, you can just run this right through, and should do you pretty well. I just don't know how, I don't know what the strength is at this point, or I should say as it starts to get farther out in length. So, but I think, you know, hopefully it'll do well. And what I also thought about doing with some of this is, you know, with like brake rotors or railroad tie plates, like you can go through multiple holes, which I think it will decrease the amount of tension that's on that. Regardless of the toggle, these work really, really well. Put them, I mean, you want to put them into soft bank, you want to put them into a clay bank. Water's going to hit them, they're going to expand a little bit, they're going to be pretty tough to pull out. And I just go through and make up a bunch of them. It's just a annealed nut that's been smashed on. These are actually pretty old. And then I take a small washer, put it on, and then that way it can spin. It's quick, simple, easy stuff you can do in the off season. These are really, really light. They don't weigh much. So, and that was the one reason that my mentor was, because he does a walking trap line. He traps out of a truck, but then walks decent distances and carries a bag. He's an old military guy, so he carries one of the Alice packs with the exoskeleton on the backside. Yeah, he made these and taught me, or not taught me, but showed me. And one thing you got to be careful of is, you know, getting some shitty wood, I should say. Not like your girlfriend typically does every night, but when it's soft and then it's going to rip, you don't want that. So I'm going to work on a few other things, keep you posted, and it's going to be a freaking great day. All right, you sons of bitches made me do it anyways. So I brought it over here. I figured I have some weights. Why not test it out? So I'm gonna set the camera up and we're gonna get going. Let's test this. Just figured 45, if it can't hold a 45-pound plate, it's pretty much a pussy. That ain't bad. Hell yeah. That thing's not even, doesn't even look like it's stressing at all. Let's see, I got another one. Oh my God, how am I gonna do this? What a nightmare. All right. Merry Christmas. No, pull off, you motherfucker. Maxwell. Got me. That's 90 pounds. Huh. Motherfucker. I thought it would pop. I don't want to put another one up there. I got it. You go.
I'm just waiting for these to start popping, and then I'm gonna try and collect the seeds from them, and then have seeds for my own onions.
Hey.
Oh yes, you big killer. You're gonna end up throwing him in the damn house.
I don't want him in the house.
Holy sheep shit. Well, this is what that mole did. I just thought that's pretty cool. Pretty interesting. You wanna go look at the blackberries?
No.
You don't?
No.
Why not?
Because I just got them already.
You already picked them?
Yes.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna go look at them. You wanna go with me?
Yes.
Well, get your shoes on. I'll wait for you.
Okay.
I'll... Get your shoes on. This gets her every time. All right, I'm leaving. I'm not leaving you. Ready?
Yes.
All right. We're actually thinking about doing some footers and putting a building up around this. So leaving one of the basketball hoops for Vivian when she gets older. Right over here are the blackberries. You coming? Come on, boy.
What?
Not as early as I'd like to get out, but it's like, I think 8:15, but pretty easy picking right here. Just need a little bit more rain, I think. And then we have another patch right down there. And then there's more back in here, and they're all polluted over here, so. You ready to pick them? Or you wanna go have breakfast?
I'm gonna pick them.
You wanna pick them?
Yeah.
All right, that's my girl. Oh, she's going in the corn.
Yeah, why?
I don't know.
You try to get that mole in there?
Maybe there's another mole in there, that's right. You ready for trapping season?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. But, hey, I'll buy some more jelly. I know I'll catch anything.
You're not gonna catch, you'll catch something this year.
Let's see I catch anything.
You wanna catch some mink?
Yeah.
All right. You wanna catch some raccoon?
Yeah.
What about coyote?
Okay.
Which one you like the best? Fox or coyote? Or mink?
Box.
Fox, oh, okay.